right, Lee, logistics.
Yeah. Who has ever worked for FedEx or UPS or a logistics company?
There you go.
All right, there you go.
All
Very
right.
good. Somebody over here? All right, so you guys are the experts in logistics. What logistics do you have involved in a full-service wash, dry, fold, pickup, and delivery? Are there logistics?
Absolutely.
What are you tracking? What are you having to line up every single day? Shout it out. Let me hear.
I was with a coaching client the other day in Florida. He was getting calls all morning. Does anybody else get those calls to route your staff, or is that all done by phone and you have no human interaction?
Anybody running logistics? Nobody's running logistics.
So maps out that. Density, yeah.
That's part of the marketing strategy.
Yep.
We have systems that do the logistics.
But you're still heavily involved. I mean, AI is pretty new, pretty cool, but it's not running your systems for you. It's not making decisions for you yet.
And that's one of the trade-offs for us, logistics. Yep. So we don't have to, or we choose not to. We give away that pickup and delivery revenue, but by giving away that revenue, we also give away the dealing with and management of the software and the staff member that's going to drive around and drive your van, the expense of the van. Where's Ross at?
The vans.
Ross, where's Ross Dodds at? You recognize this van up here, man? What was the quote? All right, let's see it. Ross, this is your slide. Here we go, Ross's quote. This was on Facebook like 2 years ago. Ross put, "Nobody told me we couldn't go into garages."
Anybody ever had a service van that's had a bit of an accident? Had to reroute? Oh, yeah. Absolutely. That adds to a nightmare for logistics. I mean, your software, you know, it might reroute them, but it will definitely take a little bit more effort. Again, our mindset is to keep it as simple as possible. And please do not confuse simple with easy or simple with subpar. As Luke was saying earlier, every one of our stores is laid out very similarly. Same color, same floors. We try to look as universal as possible because that's what we can scale. We know what works. We've done it in enough stores. You do 2, you do 3. I've had lots of conversations with folks who say, yeah, I've got 2 stores, I've got 3 stores. I'm doing wash, dry, fold here. I'm not doing it here. You know, yeah, this one, I don't have enough space for the wash, dry, fold, but this store over here is self-service only and it's doing fantastic and I don't really want to introduce it. So those are, again, conversations you have to have with yourself, have to have with somebody who's here who can give you some good insight on making very difficult decisions that improve your liability, that improve your logistics, that improve your labor, and that improve your lifestyle.
And to that, you know, I think we have to look at the demographics and we have to study. Maybe you have 4 total locations. 2 of them are going to be great. You're going to process, wash, dry, fold, pickup, and delivery. The other 2 you've chosen not. Just make those lines clear at those locations. I just talk to so many people and they're just kind of unsure. When you make decisions, try to be decisive. I think that's one thing that we're always kind of questioning. Like Lee said, take a step back, try to get a bird's eye view, hire a consultant in this industry. We've got many experts in the industry that'll look at your situation and say, yeah, this is right, that is right. An unbiased perspective can really help shape you and help make decisive decisions. Because indecision is decision, and that can get very, very crazy. And I know everybody gets into this industry for more freedom, more lifestyle, and sometimes when we're working in our business, we can't take ourselves outside of it to get that perspective to make those decisive decisions, whatever they are.